That's Japanese cooking. Today I want to show you how to make Oyako-don. Oyako-don. Oyako-don is a cooked chicken and egg over the rice. And Oyako means parent and a child. So chicken and egg is parent and child. That's why this dish is called Oyako-don. And I'm sure you, Japanese food lovers, you have tasted this dish already. Or you make several times at home. But today I want to show you my style Oyako-don today. And to make Oyako-don, we use a special gadget. I like gadget. So this is a special pan to make Oyako-don. It has a like a blade. It has a stick like this, and we cook like this. And I'm sure you can use a small size fry pan without buying this one. So no worries. So I use this special fry pan today. So are you ready to cook? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So at first, we use chicken breast. Well, you can also use chicken thigh if you like the texture. But my family likes chicken breast rather than chicken thigh, so I cut into bite-sized pieces like this. Next, I hope you already watched Gyu-don recipe that I filmed the other day. If you not, please check. Gyu-don is a steamed beef over the rice. So there are so many over the rice dish in Japan. We slice onion into wedges. Now the cutting part is over, so let's start making Oyako-don. It's for 2 servings, so we use 3/4 cup Dashi soup stock. The recipe for Dashi soup stock is here. Yeah. And we add 1 tablespoon soy sauce and 1 tablespoon mirin. Mirin is a sweet sake for cooking, and it's made of sticky rice, so it's a little bit sweeter than sake. And if you can buy mirin at home, please use cherry. You can use dry cherry plus sugar, or sweet cherry, or 2 parts sake, 1 part sugar. That's my recommendation. Yep, then we mix all together. Now we start to heat the fry pan. And in the meantime, let's break 1 egg. So what is interesting for this dish is you'll make the Oyako-don 1 by 1. So it's a little bit special. Okay, now beat an egg. Now you feel it's ready. We add half the amount of that mixture. Then we add half portion chicken breast. And wait until the chicken cooked. And now the chicken is absorbing the juice of dashi mixture. In the meantime, I clean the seasonings. Yeah, and here's a tip. If you boil the dashi mixture in a medium-high heat or high heat, the soup quickly evaporates, so be careful. Please keep medium-low heat. Okay, now let's say 80% of the chicken is cooked. So we add an onion. Then let's wait 3 minutes more until the onion is cooked. I usually set timer, not to forget. The smell is so good in this room. I feel this food is exactly Japanese food. Okay, now it's time to add beaten egg. Now let's add lid. I use this lid with holes. And let's wait another 30 seconds. Okay, now it's done. Let's open the lid. So now let's move the mixture. Can you see this? You cannot move the Oyakodon quickly, so be careful not to boil too much. Now we quickly shuffle the pan and slide. See, it looks nice and juicy. Okay, now it's done, so let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. Wow, the egg looks so fluffy. And the onion is very seasoned and cooked. And the chicken. And this is well seasoned with dashi mixed soup. So fluffy. So how was the recipe today? I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you feel it's easy to make. So I will introduce more Donburi recipe in my video. So stay tuned. So thank you for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye.